everyone, today we're going to take the 85 125 and what we're going to attempt to do is take this used Amazon Honda Grom 125 pipe and try to make it fit the 125M. We're going to get a sound test, a cold start of how it sounds stock. So here, y'all can see what I'm looking at. I'm thinking that if I cut it right here before the bend, that will give me from right here to right there, and then it should come out somewhere around the same area. I will start with cutting this one, and then I'm gonna cut the factory one, and we're gonna make this work one way or another. Alright, so now let's cut the factory muffler. But it does actually bolt up, and the flange just actually bolt up. So if you need the header piece with the flange, you want to kind of like build your own little exhaust kit, you could. But I would be absolutely lying if I said I wasn't curious on how this sounds. So let's get back to it. Let's get the chopping. Man, that thing is heavy. Are we getting lucky or are we getting screwed? Oh, that's actually, you could get a little bit better, but that's actually not bad at all. I think I could take this muffler here and just beat this down with a hammer, and or I might just throw some tacks on here, clean it up, throw some tack wheels on there, and then just try to just lay some old booger wheels. So we have the stock exhaust manifold on. I took the heat shield off because the pipe needs to slide all the way to the front. We have decent tire clearance. So I'm going to get the Harbor Freight titanium 125, put a couple of good tacks on here, and then I can take it off and fully booger weld it. What y'all think about my wheels? Leave all your comments below. Grade me 0 to 5. 5 being the worst, 0 being the best. So I consider that to be a 0. Let me know. I ain't no professional, if you can't tell. It's strong and ugly, like a girlfriend. Alright, so here it is. Woo, bubblegum. I still need to get a longer bolt and everything, but we have some clearance here, some clearance over there. So like I said, once I get the bracket on and everything, it'll be solid. So let's put the plastic on, let's see how it looks, and most importantly, let's get a sound test, and let's see how it sounds, because that's really the whole purpose of this. Let me put y'all down for a second. Is to see how this joker sounds. Oh, a whole lot deeper. A whole lot deeper than what it did before. I mean, this actually sounds really good. I'm definitely gonna sound like I'm going a whole lot faster than what I'm really going. But man, this thing got a nice deep tone to it now. Woo! That sounds nice. Yo, I was not expecting for that to sound how that sounds, but that sounds good. It got a nice deep tone to it. I mean, it's definitely going to sound, I mean, they're going to think something is coming running like 60 miles per hour, and I'm going to be coming at like 30. It sounds good. Oh, that thing sounds good. Oh my goodness. I'm hyped about this. It's nice out here, so let's go for a ride.